Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to talk about two aspects of my sensational wax warmer that Dallas and Heather gave me that I truly enjoy since they gave it to me. I found out two things. One is I bought this for a Christmas present, so don't tell anyone. And I hope the person I bought it for is not watching. If he or she is, pretend to be surprised. But I found out that for only $2 more than the regular warmer kit, you can get this, which is exactly like mine. Plus, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sets, and open it up and peeked. And those are $2 a piece. So this is basically 1, 2, 3 free when you buy the set. Hurry, they're at Walmart, and they're probably going to go fast for the holiday season. I'm not sure that all four of these are going to be great because, you know what, they're all like different, but 3 of them are free, so I'm pretty sure that at least one's going to be decent. Also, I had a viewer ask me what happens when the bulb goes out in the warmer, and soon after that, mine did. So I'm going to show you how I resolved that, and also what I found out from doing a little bit of research. Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video, give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything. A viewer had asked what would happen if I could get a replacement bulb for my wax warmer, and it appears that my bulb is indeed going out. It will not stay on. It's just flickering like that. So it's either the bulb or a defect in the warmer. I'm going to try a new bulb and see if that is indeed the problem. I pulled out my basket of odd and weird light bulbs that I've collected over the years. This is the one that I took out of the wax warmer, and it appears that probably that one might fit. That's a 40-watt white bulb. But it also appears that these might fit that are 25 watts. I'm going to try those first. There's the old bulb, or the bulb that's not working reliably. This is the new one. Well, it's not a new one. There's no telling how old it is. I found it in my basket, as I said. And maybe that one's staying on. So I guess it was the bulb. We'll try it and see if it does indeed heat up my wax. And what I put in, I don't know where I got these or how much I paid for these. Probably years and years ago. Don't even know what they were purchased to go in. So I have no idea how long they'll last. But it looks like it's just a regular little decorative globe with a really small base. The warmer has been plugged in for several hours now with a 25-watt bulb, and it hasn't quite melted the wax. I think that must have been a 40-watt bulb that's been in there, and I need to swap out this 25-watt for the 40-watt bulb. I'm in Walmart, and they also have replacement bulbs, ScentSationals, for various prices. They have them in color. So getting the replacement bulbs shouldn't be a problem at all. Looks like they want you to use the 25-watt bulbs. The Sensational 5-piece value set, as I said, has exactly the same one as mine. It has a honeysuckle, it has an illusion, it has coffee cake squirrel, and no place like home, which are probably, these are going to be the two that we like the most. I did check, and they are the full-size wax sets. I'll show you, because I thought they were probably just like the mini sets, but it's the full ones, and these are $2 at Walmart. So basically, you buying the warmer and buying a set of wax, and then you're getting 3 of them for free. So if only one works out, who cares? You still got 3 for free. Thanks for watching my video about the Sensational wax warmers. additional things that I found out. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm just researching and bringing you information from all different kinds of things because I'm like that. If you have time before you leave, watch one of these videos and give those the thumb up as well. And take care of yourself. Have a wonderful holiday season. Enjoy the small pleasures in life. A little smell, a little scent, a little taste, a little flavor. It's not going to hurt us, so we deserve it, right? Take care. Bye.